game.
Suspicious
no, I never said.
Car, not suspicious person.
Okay, you're operating the car.
Am I operating the car?
What?
Am I operating the car?
Yeah, you are.
Am I driving?
You are the operator of this
Am
vehicle.
I
You're
driving?
behind the driver's seat.
Am I driving?
He was just parked on the side, doing nothing unusual. The engine was off, everything calm. Then came the flash of lights and questions. Two officers walked up, saying the vehicle was reported as suspicious, but he stayed composed. He listened. He asked simple questions. What law had been broken? What was the real reason?
How you doing, sir? You're being recorded on body cam. How you doing? Officer Melnick.
Badge number?
330.
Which police department is this?
Jackson Township.
How can I help you?
You're just calling us. This is a suspicious vehicle, so just kind of checking out, make sure everything's okay. That's it.
I'm okay.
You're okay? You doing anything out here? Hanging out?
Do you want to talk to the car? They said the vehicle is suspicious, right? So you want to talk to the car and get some information from the car? No one said I was suspicious, right? Just the car, correct?
Your op car.
Yeah, but they said
We're
the
gonna
car.
play this game.
They called about the car. What game?
You're gonna say, do I want to talk to a car?
Did I
That's
break the
called
law?
playing a game.
Suspicious
No, I never said.
Car, not suspicious person.
Okay, you're operating the car.
Am I operating the car?
What?
Am I operating the car?
Yeah, you are.
Am I driving?
You are the operator of this
Am
vehicle.
I
You're
driving?
behind the driver's seat.
Am I driving? I'm parked. I'm parked legally. I'm not doing anything wrong.
I never said you were.
So then I'm not operating. If I'm parked, I'm not operating. It's not
You're in control
operational.
of this vehicle.
I can be in control, but I'm not in control right now. Correct?
You are in control of this
I
vehicle.
can be in
It was
control.
on. You just turned it off.
It was not on.
Yes, it was.
You don't lie, because I can fucking prove it that I wasn't on. So
and
don't
it
lie.
doesn't even have to be on in the standard.
What's your name and badge number?
Kevin Kleinig, Jackson Police. Listen, we're here because we got a call for a suspicious vehicle.
So you can talk to the car. I didn't do anything wrong. Talk to the car. Suspicious car, not suspicious person. How can I help you? How can I help you?
What's your business there?
I'm not explaining anything. I'm not answering any questions. What do we do from here? How do we proceed from here? Am I doing anything illegal? Did I break the law?
Yes, we're allowed to stop.
You can stop, but I don't want to talk anymore. Can you guys leave?
Yeah,
I'm not answering any questions.
Stuff, or...
Not answering any questions, man. Can you guys leave, or is that too much to ask for?
No, it's not too much to ask for, but we have to do a thorough investigation. Make sure.
All right, well, I'm not going to assist you with any part of your investigation, so.
Okay, listen, just because we got a call means we have to come follow up with you. Based off of your parked legally, there's nothing else going on, you're good to go, all right? We're going to leave.
Thank you very much.
All right, have a good one.
After some back and forth, things became clear. The officers had nothing more to ask, and there was no issue. He had done everything right, parked properly, stayed polite, and stood firm. In the end, they left, and he drove away. Just another day, another moment where calm words handled pressure better than anything else could. Here is another case. A quiet porch becomes the stage for yet another clash where suspicion meets resistance, and ordinary citizens are forced to defend their right to stand on their own property. What starts with a U-turn escalates into questions of legality, identity, and the deep mistrust that shadows every badge.
She ain't got nothing to pull over. She's driving normal with 35 miles per hour, but the damn police pull her over for nothing because it's been discrimination, okay? And I asked for the police for the badge number. He never showed up with a badge number, took in her driver's license and insurance, proven insurance, and walk off. This is Minnesota Cottage Grove police. Pull her over for nothing. And plus, my wife, she Asian, and she's scaring the police because police ain't nothing to me, you know? I can video her right now. Hey, what's your badge number, bro? The police ain't got no reason why pulled out my wife. Ask my wife to come off the car and turn off the car right now. So what is your badge number, sir? 119, what's your name, please?
Mike McLean.
And what reason why pull over, please?
Officer stopped. You had a couple of lane violations.
She ain't had a plan of violation because she the best driver ever.
Sir?
No, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah, because you at my brother's house and you being a hater. Yeah, you pulled me us over because for that, right? We ain't do nothing wrong. No, she ain't intoxicated because she ain't no drinking. Because she is not a best drinker. She never drink at all, ever. Can you put your flashlight over, please? Can you please put your flashlight over, please? I know you can see me because I ain't got no weapon. And, I'm a best driver. I'm a best person ever. Okay? Yes, sir. And I just pulled out my seatbelt.
You had your seatbelt
Okay.
on.
Thank you, sir. Yep.
I'm using my flashlight just like you.
Yeah,
you're
I
using
know.
yours, but
I
can't
understand
see
that.
it.
I'm not trying to be against you because you at my brother's house earlier. You know what I'm saying? Because we are Asian and the neighbor was trying to discrimination with us. You know what I'm saying? We're not trying to be against anybody. We just trying to be party at what's it called? The Thanksgiving. You know, and as long people came over knocking the door and said, "Can you please, volume down? You know, reduce the noise." And we okay with that. He came over and he tried to be attitude with us. You know what I'm saying? But we told you, excuse me, we closing the door. You're not trying to making a lot of noise. You know what I'm saying? I love the cop because my friend, he's a police as well. And he's a gang, you know, he's like Van Moore, you know what I'm saying? He work in St. Paul police. And we try to be good with all the police because I love the police as well. But I don't know why the police are against us. I understand that, bro. I understand that, bro.
We have a lot of drunk drivers on the road.
I understand that. That's why I drink, but I don't drive. I let my wife drive because she ain't enjoying it.
If she's not had anything to drink.
No, she ain't drinking because I know that. She's not drinking at all. I know you were watching us in the back there. Not support the police, not support the watching people that's drinking and drive at the area. You know, that's illegal. Because I know all my friends, they are police. They're not supporting watching people at the event. You know what I'm saying? You know, I love you guys. Yes, sir.
Make sure you guys get home safe, though.
I am, bro. That's why I let my wife driving because she ain't drinking at all. You know what I'm saying?
You got your little guy in the back here?
Yes, sir.
He looks kind of cool.
He is cold, bro. That's why he wearing my jacket.
Okay.
Yeah. Mr. McLean?
Is this your dad in the back?
No, he's my uncle.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Officer McLean.
Yeah, McLean. I know you do your work, people call and complain, but sometimes I having a little action because you touching my brother. You know what I'm saying? But I love the police because my friend, they are police as well, you know? Okay? Well, I know I'm drinking, but why I'm drinking?
Just let us finish doing what we're doing. We'll get you guys out of here.
Okay, yes, sir. Yes, sir. I having overreacting because at my area, like I told you before, my neighbor was redneck. Okay. Discrimination with us. At the first time he came in, moved in the house. He discrimination. He called the cop on us
she's coming back. You guys are free to go. Okay.
Okay, thank you, sir.
I'll give you one of these.
Okay. Yes, sir.
The officers walk away, but the damage isn't measured in arrests. It lingers in the frustration, the disbelief, the feeling of being watched in your own yard. In a world where trust is earned and often broken, this encounter reflects more than policy. It reveals the unspoken tension between law and the people it claims to serve. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more real stories that matter.